it's me, Dee, and welcome to my channel. It's been a while. I am doing some major recovery still. Some of you might have seen some videos that I put it on Instagram explaining what happened to me just a little over a week ago. It's still pretty much traumatic, and I can't do as much. And putting on a lot of makeup, I don't have the strength in my arms, and it hurts too much. I did get some x-rays and this today finally. So we'll find out what's going on. But what I want to talk to you guys about today is I finally got a spiritual goodies box. Yes. I usually really love this company and what they have. Now, I got a sneak peek already, and I wasn't as, yeah. Can I just say, they have much better boxes in the past. This one just kind of, it says, I love taking care of myself and the environment. It's all this environmentally safe. I'm all about taking care of the environment, recycling, using sustainable things. I get it. But I wasn't as impressed with what I got in here, and we'll just get into it. So the first thing here is these raw silk gloves. Garshana massage gloves reveal the ancient beauty secrets of something that means dry brush. I'm not even going to try and pronounce it, folks, because it just can't. You're supposed to put on these gloves and begin rubbing in circular motion on the tips of your toes towards the heart. For use on your face, start with the center and move outward in small circular motions. I'm a little weirded out, but I'll try it, I think. How much were these gloves? These gloves are $20. And I'm going to open them up so we can see them together. Okay, it's just, okay, here. Oh, these are weird. Yeah, look at this. Sorry, but that is, it's that, almost like Mickey Mouse, but not, because of the way these fingers are. This is bizarre. I guess this is supposed to be good for you. We'll find out. Now, the next thing, they always get this little card, so you have one of these that you could put up, and I always like to put mine on my desk, just so I could see it and just kind of remind myself of the message, because often it's a really good message. Now, this right here, soapy, I can't read that. I don't know what this is. It's got coconut oil in it. It's Soapy Lane. Okay, what? Soapy Lane in this little tiny metal. This is it's a tinted balm for my lips or cheeks. They called Soapy Lane. This sounds a little weird. And I have lots of tinted balms and such. Wow, that smells like rose. They said it's a rose tinted. That is a strong rose smell, and I don't really see much of a tint on it. That is not tinting on me. I don't know if I could put that on my lips and have it smell that strong. Oh God, with my asthma. That is, okay. So, that is $14. Now, some people love the scent of roses. I do, except for that one was really, it's like condensed and so strong and powerful. Maybe my wife will use it. And also in here, white sage and lavender body oil. Put drops on your fingertips, rub fingers together, and apply to neck and body evenly while massaging into skin. Should be used after cleansing while skin is still damp. So yeah, this is a little, I'm not used to getting all these kind of beauty products. This isn't a beauty product box, but okay. This is $20 for this little thing. This better be some really, it's supposed to nourish your skin. Yeah. Apply after bath or shower to help hydrate and soothe skin. Whew, that smells like my garden with all the sage I have back there and lavender growing. Yeah, and I like that scent. That is nice. Okay. I would love my wife to use this. She would smell so yummy. A collapsible straw. Now, see, I have straws that I use. These are silicone. They're amazing. And because sometimes metal straws are just, they don't feel good in my mouth, and sometimes the taste. But here is one. Comes with a little ring clip, so you can clip it to something. It's pretty. I'm going to say that this packaging is really nice. And here is the straw. How does this work? Oh, like this. It's a telescopic. Oh, I think there's something in here. The brush. Okay. I dropped it. I dropped the brush. Okay, so it's a neat idea. I might carry this around in case of emergency. You know, I'm somewhere and I need a straw. But I wouldn't use this regularly. I do like my silicone reusable straws that I wash and use. They're just don't really have a funny metal taste and doesn't feel odd on my teeth. Okay, so now here I got Alchemy Botanicals and Herbs, ashwagandha root capsules, and I butchered that. I know, folks. Forgive me. Oh my goodness. These capsules are $10. They're made with 100% organic ashwagandha root powder. It's a prominent herb in Indian, I can't. Ayurvedic medicine that provides numerous benefits for the body and brain. It has been used for over 3,000 years to relieve stress, increase energy levels, and improve concentration. Okay, having hypothyroidism, I have all those problems. If this can actually help, that'd be great. So I'm going to try it and pray that it works and doesn't do anything harm to me. And there's one more little thing here, and this, I know what it is, and this is a, ow. Sorry, it's my body. This is a sponge. It feels like, okay, you know the foam that you use for gardening, for floral arrangements? Yeah. It looks like it too. And feels like it. It doesn't smell like it. It's got a kind of a nice smell. What is that? This is a konjac facial sponge, tea tree, or charcoal. I think I got the tea tree one. This doesn't look like charcoal. And does it tell me? No, but I have a code to get more of their little brushes and beauty thingies. You know, I love spongele, and my wife does too. This is a little smaller, and I'll try it. I don't really like things like this. I do like, the smell is nice. I love tea tree oil. I do. And there's green tea in this also infused. So I've been drinking green tea all day. Yeah, and the sponge is $6. That's not that bad of a price for it. That's pretty good. Okay, so folks, this box is $34.99, and I'm not enthused. There's things in here, and I get that it's trying to be all environmental, but I don't really get it from all these products. That's what the straw I get. These gloves, I'm not sure about. I gotta tell you, it seems a little odd, but maybe it'll be nice. We'll see. We'll see. I'm willing to try and then let y'all know. But I'm sitting here and I'm in huge amounts of pain. So I am going to end this weird video I made. But I wanted to get something out here. I will be, my voice is coming back. It's still a little, not all the way there. But I will get the guided meditations done now that I'm getting my voice back. It's just like, as I talk, it's hurting. So I gotta rest my voice now. I think I talk too much. Plus I spent my morning with the attorney talking. I am wiped. I'm done for the day. So I will get some more tarot readings posted. I hope that you did like this video. I have a Tamed Wild box on its way. So I do love that one. That one, I always get the tea in there and lots of fun other things. So hopefully that'll be a little bit nicer than this, and it costs so much less. So we'll see. We'll see. I don't think I got my money's worth. Even though they're telling me what these prices are for these things, they don't cost to make. You know, yeah, you know what I'm saying, right? You get it. You get it. Uh-huh. So we'll just go with that. No, it wasn't a complete ripoff, but there's things in here that I never, ever would have tried. So maybe I'll discover something I like. I'll keep y'all posted. I love everybody. Please be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. You just never know what someone's going through. Bye.